Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. You never know what you're going to find in the trash. Found this last year. Never knew what it was. I thought it was, I don't know what it was. But it's a sparkler. Left over from the 4th of July or New Year's Eve or something. But yes, it was thrown away. So I figured I'd get rid of it. A nice night, probably about 45 degrees or so, 10 o'clock at night, Wednesday evening. And like I said, I thought I'd get rid of it and do a quick little video. You never know what you're going to find in the trash. That's all for now. Keep hoarding. Bye-bye.